In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in your Wix website. Whether you're building a professional portfolio, an online store, or a blog, linking pages is an essential step to ensuring your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect different pages on your site, making it simple for visitors to find the information they need. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Wix website editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account, go to the dashboard and open the specific website you're working on. This will bring you to the editor, where you can make all the adjustments and edits for your site. If you're not already familiar with the Wix editor, don't worry. It's designed to be very user-friendly and intuitive. Next, navigate to the page that contains the text or element you want to link. For example, if you want to link a button, a piece of text, or even an image, make sure you're on the page where that particular item is located. This step is important because you need to be able to select the specific element you want to connect to another page. Once you're on the right page, click to select the desired text, button, or other element. When you select it, you'll notice that a toolbar appears right above or near the item you've clicked on. This toolbar is a convenient place to access options for customizing and editing your selected element. Now, locate the link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain link, so it should be easy to spot. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the link menu, which is where you'll set up the link to another page on your site. From the link menu, you'll see several options for where you can direct the link. For this tutorial, we want to link to another page on your site, so you'll need to select the page option. This tells Wix that you're linking internally within your website, as opposed to an external website or document. After selecting the page option, click on the button that says Choose a Page. This will open a list of all the pages available on your website. You can scroll through this list to find the specific page you want to link to. For example, if you're linking to your contact page, blog page, or any other section of your site, simply scroll until you see that page name. Once you've found the page you want to link to, click on it to select it. You'll see that the page you've chosen is now connected to the text or element you've selected. This step is crucial because it ensures your visitors will be taken to the right destination when they click the link. Finally, click the Done button to confirm and finalize the link. Once you do this, the link is officially active and your page is ready to guide visitors to the correct location. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure the link is working properly. In the Wix editor, you can switch to preview mode to see how your website looks and functions from a visitor's perspective. Click on the link text or element to double check that it takes you to the correct page. If everything works as expected, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to link pages in your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.